I was diagnosed when I was 2 years old, where I was nearly dying. The doctors couldn't find out what I was sick of, because the autoimmune hepatitis is not is a rare to have when you are a child. It's more common for older people. A problem, I think, is that I don't look sick. I look very normal. So people don't understand. They say, Malou, you don't look sick. You're not sick. You're fine. Why are you tired all the time? The society doesn't understand. And when I meet new people to a party, they say, drink, please drink. And I'm trying to say, no, I won't not. And they say, come on, please drink with us and have some fun. And they need to say that I have a liver disease, and I cannot because I'm probably gonna die. And so they back off. My biggest challenge will be my tiredness, that I can be up, and also that I can drink and be social like other people. And sometimes I look in the mirror and think I'm normal. I'm have a good life. But then I remember every time I take my pills in the morning and the evening that I am sick, and it's all right to be more tired, and it's all right to say I can today. It's all right for me to not make all that plans that maybe other young people do. In my transition, it was very difficult because when I was a child, I've been told at doctors that I couldn't drink and I couldn't take birth control and I couldn't get a tattoo and a lot of other stuff that I probably wouldn't die or get sick if I do it. But when I go and get older to the new doctors, they said you can do it a little and you can take birth control, and so I got scared because I don't know what to believe, and I stood there as should take my own decisions all alone, and it was hard because I didn't know what to believe in my old doctors that had known me since I was little, or the new doctors that have new information. So I feel much alone. Solution is going to be, it's so difficult, but I would really like to have my old doctor with me the first time that I should meet my new doctor. So then they could talk about what it's like to have this disease for me, because it's personal. I would really like the doctors to talk to each other about the individual person, to have a bigger understanding of their life.